So, tatlo na tayo. Comment below guys, if Team Blue ba tayo or Team Pink?
Yes.
Hello guys! So today is a very special day because we're going to have our gender reveal!
So finally, it's been 4 months pa lang, pero we're very excited kaya gusto na namin mag-celebrate.
Usually nga yung ginagawa yung mga gender reveal, 6 months, 7 months, kapag malaki na yung tiyan. Kasi in that way, mas kita na talaga sa ultrasound yung result.
Yes.
But in our case, kung makita niyo si Jobel, tayo pa naman.
Pero hindi ka pa sure. Parang busog lang ako.
Takpan! Ayan. So this is the baby bump, guys. So she is 4 months right now or 17 weeks. So if nagtataka kayo kung bakit napakaaga ng gender reveal namin, it's because hindi ultrasound yung way namin for us to know the gender of the baby.
Yes, so we conducted Cord Life for their non-invasive prenatal testing.
Yes, or yung NIPT.
NIPT. Very happy kasi hindi na kailangan ng sobrang invasive na procedure. And like before, yung mga pinag-aaralan natin sa nursing school, diba? Mga amniocentesis.
So actually hindi siya bago, no? But it's not common na ginagawa. Yes. Kasi di aware most ng mga tao na pwede palang ganun. And in the NIPT, is through extraction of blood.
So parang nagpa-CBC lang ako. We have 2 packages, yung light, and kinuha namin yung premium na para lahat makita na. So aside from the gender, na makikita din if meron mga genetic abnormalities. So makikita kung may trisomy, aneuploidy, chromosomal abnormalities. So since kinuha namin yung package na premium, lahat na ng mga pwedeng genetic abnormalities, makikita niya. Again, it's not a confirmatory test, it's just a screening test.
Yes, parang risk test, no?
Yes.
High risk or medium risk or low risk.
Yes, so ang maganda sa kanila kasi once you book online, sila na yung pupunta kung saan mo gustong magpa-laboratory test. So in our case, sa clinic namin pinagawa, so yung staff ng Cord Life, sila yung nag-extract. After 10 to 14 days, may kita nyo na yung result. And yung result pala, didiretso sa OB nyo. Kasi yung OB, siya yung mag-explain kung paano yung meaning ng mga results. Yes, para mas maintindihan ninyo.
Yes, and either way, if kukunin yung basic package or yung premium, you will know the baby's gender right away.
Yes.
And dito sa NIPT, as early as 9 weeks, no? So 2 to 3 months, malalaman nyo na yung gender and know that it is 99% accurate.
Yes, so very convenient, accurate, and mabilis lang yung result. So imagine, after 10 days, malalaman nyo na agad. And thankfully, praise God, nalaman namin na low risk siya for all of the genetic abnormalities. So we're very happy with the result.
Yes, so less yung chance for mga abnormalities, less yung chances for mga abortions, mga ganun. So you will have the peace of mind during the entire pregnancy.
Yes.
So we're very happy with Cord Life na napaka-convenient nila and ang bilis lang, no?
And with premium kasi, kinuha natin, if in case may moderate or high risk, they will have mga genetic counseling right after. And they will have free parang test pa parang to further confirm if mas mataas na talaga yung risk. So free na siya if premium yung kukunin ninyo. And yung sa amin kasi low risk na, so doon na nag-e-end.
What's the advantage of NIPT is because again, NIPT stands for non-invasive. Kasi usually, before nung wala pa itong NIPT, ang ginagawa is amniocentesis.
Yeah.
No? So, ano yun? So, i-insert sila ng needle directly to the amniotic fluid. And yung risk doon is there's a small chance, no, for abortion.
Yeah.
So, why would you risk? Kahit napaka-small lang, 1% pa yan. Pero, i-risk mo, no, may fear na mangyayari yun. So this is the best option para at least mas-screen muna siya.
Yeah,
so again, hindi siya confirmation. No? It doesn't define kung meron talaga. So but if high risk, so further kailangan ng mga tests. So that's the time that you will have that amniocentesis or other more invasive procedures.
Yes, and all throughout the journey will be guided by your OBGYN and team of specialists na trained talaga with the genetic abnormality. So, sobrang nakakatuwa na meron ng ganun dito sa Manila. And we're hoping na sana nga meron sa mga provinces, no? Kasi baka mahirap if ever.
Yeah. So far, Metro Manila, and then home service siya, very convenient.
Yes.
So, just contact them anytime.
Yun.
So, as you can see guys, the color of the day, blue and pink.
Yes.
And, well, may bias pa kung anong gusto natin.
Well, ako Ellie naman. Basta healthy.
Because we waited 4 years after marriage, no, na magka-baby. And 19 years together, na-exhaust na namin yung time na kami lang magkasama.
Sawa na tayo sa isa't isa.
So, kailangan natin ng bagong journey naman for our Sandes family. And we thank you guys for being there with us from the start. And yun, tuloy-tuloy yung support ninyo and prayers. And right now, finally, meron na tayong third party. Third party! Meron na tayong baby. So, tatlo na tayo.
Hormone na lang ako. Nakakapatay ako ng tao.
Third party! Dito na si baby. For the names of our future baby. So, if it's a boy, so we call him Azarius Franz. So, why the name, no? So, my favorite color is blue, so azure. And kay Jobel is gold. Favorite mo ba yun? Pero yun ang color namin, no? Na color din ng clinic. Yeah, blue and gold. So, azure and Aurelius for gold. So, Azarius.
And when you search the name kasi, yung Azarius talaga, yung makikita mo, it's actually, it means helped by God.
Yes.
So parang we feel na yung baby na to, it's not out of our own efforts. Kasi yun nga, ang dami kong mga, I had endometriosis, PCOS, and the baby came in at the right time when we least expected it. Although we really wanted it ever since, pero we didn't expect it to be that fast. And it was only through the grace of God. Kaya yun, helped by God. Yun yung
And come to think of it, although it's unexpected, but it's the perfect time.
Yes. And we didn't realize it until we knew, looking back na lang in hindsight, we realized na parang buti pala ngayon siya dumating.
And again, Azarius Franz. Franz because my father is Francisco. Ako naman, Gerard Francis. So siya naman, Azarius Franz. So,
pakunti ng pakunti. Paikli ng paikli. Next generation, fra!
So, legacy lang siya ng grandfather. So, my dad and ako. And kung sa babae naman,
kung sa babae, we will name her Athena Bell. So, Athena is goddess of wisdom. So, parang wisdom siya. And then Bell is French for beauty.
And Jobel. So.
Yes. Yung Bell naman, parang yung father ko din, being starting letter. So, yun. In honor of our parents.
Exciting years to come. And ngayon sa gender reveal. So, magugulat na lang kayo guys. Wala tayong mga balloons. Wala tayong mga... May cake
simple
ba tayo?
Simple lang. Wala. Simple lang.
Wala nga tayong cake eh. So, very simple with our family.
Yeah. Like, relatives lang yung makaka... Kasi it's so intimate lang talaga. And we didn't want it to be like super extra.
Medyo may pagka-extra pa rin tayo and hindi din alam ng mga relatives namin kung paano i-deliver yung reveal ng gender natin. And for you guys, no, watch out. Tingnan nyo mamaya kung paano namin gagawin yung gender reveal. And as mentioned by the company, no, so this is the first time na gagawin nila to, na may nag-inquire sa kanila if pwede mag-gender reveal. So again, being extra, being Gerard Santos.
Ikaw lang yun. Ako
So,
practical ako.
Gusto kong something unique and this is a very special day, so wala, gusto ko talagang mangyari to.
Pa rin every year na ako this.
Tingnan natin. Baka...
Cake na lang sa second.
Baka mga pasabog na naman na ibang gagawin natin. Pressure naman sa akin.
Ikaw na gano'n nito.
Ako naman may pasimuno, pero I like what I'm doing, no? Na-excite ako dito. And we'll see. So makikita nyo guys paano yung gender reveal natin. Watch out. Comment below guys if what do you think, no? If team blue ba tayo or team pink?
Yes.
So we'll see later kung ano yung final reveal. Excited ka na, Mami?
Yes.
Hindi na Mommy and Daddy na. Azarius or Athena?
Let's see.
Alright, let's check the clinic and tingnan natin yung preparation.
Kulit.
Si Gray.
Ako girl.
Boy.
Kulang ang girl sa family.
Girl ako.
Ah, girl.
Babae sa pamilya.
Cute.
Wala bang team girl dyan? Sinong team boy dyan? Woo! Oh, team girl!
Ay, may anniversary pa talaga.
Yan na! Baby's on the way!
Yeah, 10, 9, 7, bakit mo ka? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Si Athena!
Tingin na, may kaagaw na ako sa tatay. Yung representative mo mo.
Natalo na siya!
Wala sa laro.
Natalo sa postan!
Ay, pag-bet siya kay Julia ng isang kahunggatas niya eh. I know it's a boy.
Try kami ulit next time.
Oh. It's Athena Bell all this time.
Azarius ka ng Azarius.
Nawala si Franz.
Change mo na ang name.
Oo, sunod na.
Francine.
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 Pwede rin.
Oh, wow, naman na, baby. Girl daw kasi. Girl. Tinitignan niya ulit mo. Wala na. Oh, no, baby.
Athena Bell.
Athena. Opo. Para hindi bias.
Okay, so finally, we know kung sino ka na. And it's baby Athena Bell.
Athena Bell.
We wish, no, as your parents, we would syempre provide for you for all of your needs. We will take care of you. Lahat ng kaya namin gagawin namin para sa care of you. And
So we really prayed for you for 4 years and finally, name na behind our prayers.
God provided you at the right moment. So in His perfect timing talaga. Mommy and I are see you soon. We love you, Athena Bell.
I love you, Athena.
Please, we will see you soon.
See you soon.
My youth is yours, you're so loud, you can't ignore my youth. My youth